I thought I'd do a, someone mentioned in one of the comments that, why don't you take it in the car and take us for a ride? So, I'll do it and, see, see how it turns out. I might talk about a few things, a few issues I have with the car. Not many, but I guess it comes, a few are worth noting. So I'm in track mode, which it's quicker shifts, higher revs before shifting. I'm not sure how the downshifting works, but it's more aggressive than just in the standard auto mode or even in the sport mode. So if you see me bouncing up quite a bit, it's track mode stiffens up the suspension quite a bit. At some points it's kind of uncomfortable. If you're not using it for aggressive driving, it's pointless. But I intend to do some semi, on streets here. Going to pick up something for a camera. One issue I have with the car, which is easily overcome, is the position of the steering wheel. The way that I like it is here. Unfortunately, the gauges are so huge and spread out, I can't see my speedometer. Up until 40 miles an hour, I can't read it. I'm sorry, up until 40 I can see it. Past 40 it's obscured by the big fat, this thick wheel. But you have the option to go digital on the EVIC system, which is cool. I got the digital readout. It is what it is. Am I gonna cry about it? No, I'll fucking just deal with it. I guess that's it. I really don't know. That's the only issue that I have, because I'm constantly looking at it. I've had the car for 8 months now, so I'm used to not even looking at the speedometer. So we're going for a drive. I'm not sure what the camera's going to pick up, as in, with acceleration, how it's going to translate onto the camera. But, so, you're coming for a ride with me. If you seem like you might, like to be friends with me and have a beer, fucking, hit me up. If you're in the area, if you want to check out the car or whatever, if you want to hang out. I have 2 friends. I got a wife and 3 kids. I don't got really much time to do much of anything, so you can always use another friend. Why not? So, another thing, now that I just heard that beep, it's the blind spot indicator. Or I have the blind spot, let you know someone's there, fucking light. Now that I've had that for quite a bit of time, 8 months or so, I never check my blind spot. I I bet everything on the fact that this fucking thing is gonna work. Which is probably not smart. I should really, think about, I get on the highway, I'm not that stupid, so, I should really think about paying attention a little more often, stop relying on this so much. But, it works to the point of where I don't, worry about it, hopefully it doesn't crap out on me or fucking, kill me one of these days. But, like I said, it does work. It works great. It's got me a lot of near misses with that fucking thing. What do they call them? Whatever, the valves on the exhaust are causing huge issues for exhaust manufacturers to get something that's not going to destroy your MPGs or kill you with fucking drone in that stupid eco mode, which I can't wait to be able to turn off. But so I mean, until then, you can just do visual modifications, which I guess for now we'll have to do. But then again, I had the car for 8 months. You know, yeah, it was good for 8 months, but now I'm looking to do something. You know, not that the car really even needs anything, but I'm just that type of person that if you can make it better, make it quicker, make it perform just a little bit better, why not? You're fucking retarded. You know, I mean, you're driving around in something that's limited, has crazy potential, but is, limited by the manufacturer. So, I mean, if you could bypass that somehow, with a tuner, which is the basic, just a bullshit, like all around tune, non-custom. I mean, if you can do it anything, just why not do it? What's wrong with you? But one thing I do have to say, the interior of this car is really, really nice. Again, the problem I have is this center console. I'm not sure if the camera gets it, but it's fucking mad ugly. Back to the friend request. If you want to be my friend, I live in Yonkers. I will travel. Not saying I'm desperate, but maybe I'm a little desperate. What can I tell you? My hobbies include walks in the park, and I don't like walking in the parks. I like shooting guns, and I have a few. I like cars, and I like tattoos. And what else is there? That's all you need in life: guns, tattoos, and a car, and you'll be good. If this video came out okay, maybe I will put it up, and maybe I'll even do another one. Maybe I'll do a daily vlog of my trip to wherever the fuck I'm going. That might be pretty boring for people, unless I have topics to talk about. Hey, maybe I'll start a fucking talk show. I'll take calls in my car on my way to work. That'd be pretty funny. Because people really want to know what I have to say about things. Honestly, if they get put on tape, things I say might put me in jail. So maybe it's not a good idea. Now, aesthetics and the interior of the car is beautiful. On the inside, it is beautiful. The nice carbon fiber. Just the layout, the overall look. The steering wheel is nice. The seats are nice. The fucking trim is nice. Except the center console is fucking hideous. This fucking cheap faux stainless steel shit is just crazy ugly. The car drives perfect. The only problem with it is that it's so stable and drives so nice that you can be doing 90 miles an hour on the highway and not even realize it. I mean, 90 miles an hour, I can sit here and make a fucking peanut butter and jelly sandwich and serve it to my kids and not even have a problem. So, but I mean, on the other hand, it's a good thing because the car is that stable. At high speeds, it's like there's no issues at all. In about 2 seconds, I'm just gonna punch this fucking thing on 2. Punch right to the car. It's perfect. Or it also has an emergency. If someone cuts in front of you, if you're not paying attention, as the car stops. Flash, fucking brake, and all this shit. It doesn't actually brake before you. It just tells you to brake. Unfortunately, it fucking sometimes just doesn't for no reason. It fucking scares the shit out of me. I'm like, and then there's nothing there. Like my backup camera picks up shadows. So I'll be backing out of my driveway or out of the parking spot, and the shit will go off, and I'll look and I see nothing. Child under my tire that I can't see. again, I never get out to check. I just, I just chance it. Hope there's no kid under my wheel.